What if I told you that your YouTube channel's success or failure could depend on just 9 simple settings? Settings that most creators overlook or don't even know about, but that can make or break your ability to get views, subscribers, and earn money on the platform. In fact, these 9 settings are so critical that I call them my secret YouTube success switches. And in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what they are and how to optimize each one for maximum growth and revenue. But here's the catch. If you don't get these settings right, you might be holding your channel back and missing out on a lot of views and potential earnings without even knowing it. So whether you're just starting out or have a channel for a while, you definitely need to know about these 9 settings. Stick around as I break them down and guide you step by step. This is Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. The first and the most important thing to do is to add keywords to your channel. Keywords are words or phrases that people search on YouTube. When you add relevant keywords to your channel, it helps YouTube understand what your channel is about. This allows YouTube to show your videos in the search results and recommendations when people search for those keywords, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your channel. To add the keywords, click on your profile and go to YouTube Studio. Now go to Settings and click on Channel. And here you can enter the keywords for your channel. Make sure you choose keywords that describe your channel's main topics and content. You can even add your channel name and the topics you cover in your video as keywords. And here you can select the country you live in. Okay, now that we have added the keywords, to help viewers find the videos, let's move on to the next important setting, choosing your audience. To do that, go to Advanced Settings. Here you need to specify whether your video is made for kids or not. For example, if you've created a cartoon or an animated video specifically for kids, you can select yes, otherwise select no. By specifying if your content is made for kids or not, you're ensuring that your videos get shown to appropriate audience and to avoid any potential issues or restrictions. With our audience settings dialed in, let's move on to the next setting, which is to enable the advanced features. YouTube offers various features that can help improve your channel. If you go to Features Eligibility tab, you can see the available features and access them. As you can see, the standard features are already enabled, which allows you to upload videos and create playlists for your videos. Now go to Intermediate Features, and once you enable this, you'll have access to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, and even live stream on your channel. To enable these features, click Verify Phone Number. Here select how you want to be verified. Then select your country, enter your mobile number, and click Get Code. Now enter the code that you received on your phone, click Submit, and your phone number will be verified. Now if you go back to this page, you can see that the intermediate features are enabled. Now in the advanced features, you'll get access to monetization options, upload more videos daily, and many other useful tools. These can really boost your channel's growth and revenue. To enable these advanced features, click on Access Features. YouTube requires identity verification for advanced features to ensure the platform remains safe and secure. You can verify yourself using any of these options. You can either use a video verification or your government ID, which typically takes around 24 hours. Or you can skip this step for now and you'll automatically gain access as your channel grows and follows YouTube guidelines. I'm going to verify using my ID and click Next. Then click Get Email to receive the verification link in your inbox. Once you receive the email, open it and click Start Verification. Then use the QR code to scan your ID. Once you're done, within 24 hours, your ID will be verified and you will have access to the advanced features. Finally, click Save. The next setting is to customize the channel homepage. By customizing your channel homepage with sections for your best content, playlist, and more, you can make a great first impression on new visitors and keep viewers engaged on your videos longer. A strong channel page is a key to turning casual viewers into subscribers. Let me show you how to do this. Just go to YouTube Studio and click on Customization. Click Add Section. You can see we have got all these different sections that we can add to our homepage. Just like the sections you want to show, like short videos, popular videos. And once you're done, click Publish. Now if you go to your homepage and click refresh, you can see that The homepage is now well organized and it looks much better. Now that you've learned how to customize your YouTube homepage for a better viewer experience, let's talk about how you can create an impressive website to complement your YouTube channel. With Webspace Kit, you can easily launch and build your own WordPress website without any coding knowledge. You get a free domain, SSL, and thousands of themes and plugins to choose from. Plus, you get a 10% off if you use the link in the description below. Having a professional website can help you establish a brand, engage with your audience, and even monetize your content beyond YouTube. So check out Webspace Kit and take your online presence to the next level. Alright, the next setting is to disable automatic video chapters. You've probably seen many YouTube videos which have chapters like this with timestamps letting you to jump to specific parts. However, when you post a longer video where it has many sections and parts, sometimes the chapters won't work correctly since they are AI generated. And when you do this manually, you'll have full control to organize the video in the most impactful way. So I recommend you turn off this feature and add the chapters yourself. To disable the automatic video chapters feature, go to the content section on your dashboard, click edit on video, now scroll down, click show more, and here you will find the automatic chapters. Just disable this. And now you can manually add chapters like this to your description box and click save. Alright, let's move on to the next setting, which is to add a subscribe watermark to your videos. Now, seeing a subscribe watermark throughout the video acts as a subtle call to action, gently reminding the viewers to subscribe to the channel. It appears at the bottom right corner of the video, and it's a great way to get people to subscribe to your channel. To do this, just go to customization and click branding. Now here click upload, and you can get this image from Google by searching for YouTube subscribe square, or you can make one on your own using Canva. And once you've uploaded the image here, select entire video to display the watermark throughout the video and click publish. Now if you play any of your video, you can see that the watermark has been added here. This is an easy win to get more subscribers with every upload. Speaking of getting more subscribers, another powerful tactic is to use YouTube Shorts. Linking your short videos to full-length content is a powerful way to turn your short-form viewers into long-form watchers and subscribers. So let's see how to do that. First, let's upload the Shorts video now. Just click create, then click upload videos, and then drag and drop the Shorts video. Just add a description, select the audience, and click next. Here you'll see the option to add a related video, so just click add, then add the link of the video you want the viewer to watch. Then click next, again click next, select public, and click publish. Now let's see if it works. Let's click this link to go to our Shorts video. And here if you click on this link, you can see that it takes us to the full-length video which we added. Okay, our next setting will also be similar to this one, where you can recommend related videos to viewers at the end of each video like this. This will keep the viewers interested and make them watch more of your videos. So to add your videos like this, just go to content and click the edit icon on the video you want. Then scroll down and here click on end screen. Choose the position of the end screen video. Now click on it. Click on choose specific video. Pick the video you want to recommend and click save. Now the viewers will watch your video on YouTube and they'll see the video at the end like this. Now we've seen how you can manually add an end screen. However, doing this for all your videos can take a lot of time. But don't worry, there's a more efficient way to do it. You can use a Chrome extension to create an end screen template and apply it to all your videos in just one click. So let's see how to do that. Just click on the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Now click download extension and then click add to Chrome. Click add extension. Here you need to create an account on TubeBuddy and connect it with your YouTube channel. So let's click here and sign in with your Google account. Now click launch extension. Then you need to sign in with your YouTube account. Now that we've installed TubeBuddy on your YouTube channel, let's create an end screen template. To do that, first we need to set an end screen video and save it as a template. Since we already have added an end screen for this video, let's go ahead and save it as our first template. So just open the video and click on the end screen. And here you'll find the option to save it as a template. Just enable it, give a name here, and click OK. Now you can add this template to any of your video. Just go back to your channel content, open any video you want, go to the end screen, and here click on Apply Template. Then click Apply Selected End Screens, and the suggested video will be added here. And finally, click Save. In the same way, you can create as many templates as you want and add them to your videos. Okay, let's move on to the last and final setting, which is to create a one-click subscription link. With a one-click subscription link, you can send viewers directly to your channel and prompt them to subscribe with a single click. Makes it easy for people to subscribe and helps you grow faster. To create this link, just go to your channel, copy this URL, paste it on a notepad. Now type this after the URL and the link is ready. Now if you open the link, you can see that we've got the subscription pop-up here. Now the users can subscribe in just one click by clicking here. Adding this link to your website, blog, social media or emails can quickly boost your subscribers and grow your audience. Now we've seen all the essential settings, but wait, I have a bonus tip for you. There's an incredible tool that can take your YouTube SEO to the next level. This tool can help you find the perfect keyword, analyze your competitors, provide SEO recommendations, and offer real-time analytics. To use this tool, click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Now sign up using the same Google account as your YouTube channel. And as you can see, our channel has been connected. Now click download extension, then click add to Chrome and click add extension. Now go back to this tab, go to keywords, and here enter the keyword on which you're going to make the video and hit enter. And now you'll find the overall competition and the search volume of the keyword. As you can see, both are high, which means it's difficult for your video to rank for this keyword. In that case, you can go to related keywords and select the ones that have low competition. You can also go to matching terms to find more related keywords. vidIQ also has another great feature where you can check out trending videos from your competitors. This will give you a detailed idea on what topics that you can make videos on. To access this feature, just go here and click competitors. You'll see a list of channels similar to you. To see their trending videos, click here and select view channel on YouTube. And once you're on their channel, you'll spot the vidIQ icon here. Just click on it and select trending videos. And there you go. You'll see what's trending on their channel. So just go through them and see if you get any video ideas for your channel. Once you get an idea, making a video involves a lot of steps. You need to select a topic, draft a script, and make a catchy title and thumbnail, a compelling description, and relevant tags. But what if I tell you, you can get all these things in just a few clicks? Yes, it's possible with this amazing AI tool. To use it, just click the link in the description and you'll get this page. Here enter the topic for your video and click save. Now scroll down and here you can see that you can generate any content you want just by clicking on create content. Let's say you want to create a YouTube script. Just click on create content and you'll get the entire script in no time. In the same way, you can generate all these other content from Gravity Write. So that's it guys. Make sure to check all these 9 settings and take your channel to the next level. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly mention 2 incredible tools that can help you with your YouTube journey. First is WebSpaceKit, a web hosting platform that makes it easy to create a website for your YouTube channel. And the second is Gravity Write, an AI tool that can generate scripts, titles, descriptions, and more for your videos. Check them out using the links in the description. If you're now eager to know the best tools for your YouTube video, then you can check out this video. Or if you're looking to build a website and want some great tips, then you can watch this video. If you guys found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Website Learners. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.